No appeal, no Dallel, only repeal. This is what the 62 crore farmers of the country are demanding. For 43 days, lakhs of farmers have been sitting on a protest at the Delhi borders demanding the repeal of the three farm laws. 7 rounds of talks with the central government have failed to end the deadlock. The farmers have been insisting that the three farm laws undemocratically passed in parliament are anti-farmers, anti our federal structure and pro-corporate. These are their major concerns. First, more than 86% of India's cultivated farmland is controlled by small farmers who own less than 2 hectares, 5 acres of land each. The new laws do not give them enough bargaining power to sell their produce to larger companies, and ultimately the farmer will be left at the mercy of big corporations and work as laborers in their own fields. Second, producers have been able to rely on the minimum support price (MSP), the assured price the government pays for these crops, but the new rules do not guarantee any minimum price for any product. Third, mandis, where farmers have been selling their produce until now, will cease to function as big private players will dictate prices of farm produce. Fourth, the new regulations also allow traders to stockpile food. This is a shift away from prohibitions against hoarding and would make it easier for traders to take advantage of rising prices, such as during a pandemic. Such practices were criminal offences under the old rules. Fifth, one of the new legal provisions says that to resolve disputes, farmers can seek out a so-called conciliation board, district-level administrative officers, or an appellate authority. In other words, these cases will not go to a regular court if there are issues with the corporates. Sixth, the new laws also do not make written contracts mandatory. So, in case of any violation of their terms, it can be very hard for a farmer to prove that he or she have been aggrieved, giving them little recourse. Moreover, if the laws were to benefit the farmers, why were they not consulted? And why were the laws passed amid a pandemic without discussion in the parliament? The big question remains, why would 60 farmers lay their lives on the line, braving water cannons, lathis, cold weather, and an authoritarian government if the so-called laws were beneficial to them?